taking down Arya's mini twist, all you need is shea butter, almond oil, and water. That's it. And a leave-in.
On live, you also can see us right there, but we're not on live on the camera, okay? We're gonna post this, okay? Then I got my document. Okay, please stop.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you know when we are posting. So let's get into it. I did a previous video of mini twists, and you can watch the installation here. Now, these mini twists actually lasted 3 weeks, which is what I needed. That's exactly what I needed because we're in the middle of moving. So I wanted a low maintenance style. Now, don't forget, when you have mini twists, you still take care of them. You still spray them every morning. You still moisturize them. So when you do get to the twist out part, you're going to have a really beautiful twist out. During this process, I like to take it down with having some oil on my hands, but I also like to start with adding a nice leave-in, so it'll make it easier to take it out. It's important to go into the opposite direction of which you twisted the hair to make it easier for you. I just simply twirled it around my finger gently, and they just came right on out because I was moisturizing her hair while they were in mini twists.
But
Okay.
next week on my Thursday folder, I will get a cove point because I did all of my homework. If you ask, what is a cove point? Commercial time now. Okay, thank you. A cove point is what.
Y'all, look how defined her hair is. My hair could never.
Deception. And outrage, disgrace, disgrace.
Right now I'm focusing my efforts on fluffing her hair out. I like to spray with a little water and then use a comb or pick at the roots. Honestly, if I had more time, I would just let them fall themselves, but we have a gymnastics meet to prep her hair for. And as beautiful and defined as her hair looks, Aria hates twist outs. And that's it, y'all. Just continue to fluff it out and style it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and check out our hair playlist.